Hey guys, and welcome back. See, I'm going to do this really quick and easy drag marble nail design. So I'm going to use white by Sinful Colors called Snowy White. This is my go-to white polish. Mint Green by LA Colors called Sea Life. I'm sorry, it's too close. And Pink by Salon Perfect called Good Vibes. So I'm going to paint a thick coat of white polish. This is like a really easy and simple drag marble design to do. If you want, you can do two coats, a thin coat and then a thicker coat. But I'm going to show you a quicker way. So I do a thick coat of the white. Then I'm going to add drops of the pink and the mint green onto my white. Make sure you do this quickly. You don't want that polish to start drying. Then using a nail brush, I'm going to swirl the colors together. Now, this is not the most refined or the most, cleanest of designs I've done, but I wanted to do something quick and easy, and my brush was not cooperating with me, but I like the look of it. It was very light and sheer, gave it a sheer quality, and I just liked how it came out. Once I'm done, I'm just going to pull off that polish, and that's to help stretch out the design and to help dry it faster. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. See, really quick and easy. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.